how to set vibration for calls and alerts to play or don't play in silent mode on the iPhone 16 series. Now first, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Sounds and Haptics. Next, in here, tap on Haptics, and then you can choose to play vibration in silent mode or don't have vibration in silent mode. Here's the haptics will not play when iPhone rings or receive an alert while in silent mode. And that's it. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to the previous settings page or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.